way that mankind you could search the furthest reaches of the universe and never find anything more beautiful. So, yes, I know that love is unconditional, but I also know it can be unpredictable, unexpected, uncontrollable, unbearable, and
Go get her.
to say, Tristan,
Bryson.
is,
Go get her.
I think I love you. My heart, it feels like my chest can barely contain it. Like it doesn't belong to me anymore. It belongs to you. And if you wanted it, no gifts, no goods, no demonstrations of devotion.
Hi, Roz.
Love me too.
Hi, pretty girl.